Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 42. Evaluate reverse Polish notation. On the left hand side you can read the question. Well, there's something Polish notation you can read, and I don't know still I'm being able to do this question. Well, this is a mid-level stack question, so it is not that tough, but still it is a little bit confusing how to actually iterate over the string. I try to do this question in a 2 or 3 different ways, like just to basically improve the time complexity. But it's still like it's fine. This is the time complexity which came. Okay, so yeah, this is the code and this is the solution. So thank you for watching this video, and I will post more videos.